and today we make the work rig sound like a baby V10? That's right. Now with these stock revs, you can hear the turbo really well, but the exhaust, you can't hear at all, and that's what we need to change. Alright, now let's put her up in the air, let's get the grinder ready, and let's get to work. This thing has actually a pretty small muffler. I was pretty surprised for how quiet it is. But either way, we're gonna yoink that thing.
And another one!
Now, could I spend all day and make this look fantastic? Yes. Did I? No.